Hey guys, this is how to enable large alerts on a Blue Sky app. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply open up the Blue Sky application into your device. And now from here, just simply go ahead and tap on the notification bell down below over here, guys. So just simply tap on that. And now from here, you should be able to see the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen or the gear icon. So tap on the gear icon. And from here, guys, in order for you to enable the large alert, just simply turn this on. And you should be able to see the priority notifications. And now another option that you have is just simply go back to your home and just simply hold the application and just simply tap on app info, and you should be able to scroll down and tap on notifications, and you should be able to see notifications as well, like chat or chat muted. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.